Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Silver Economy. In the last video I said that I'm going to talk more about the stuff that you can eat in case of WTSHF. Continuing the 5Gs, and I choose here for you today something that's fun. It's a hobby you can do with your friends, relatives, and your kids, and it's more to do around this time that we live in at, maybe in your local lake or something, which is fishing. You know, get some good fishing stick. It will also help you to get a source of protein, fresh fish, coming in a case of a crisis. This is a Shimano fishing stick. It's a long item. I usually take it apart. I just put it together for you for the video purpose. Took it apart again. Get the good fishing rod. This is a strong string, the Power Pro 40 pound, the green one. Here's some fishing tools, fake baits. Let's put this little knife with the other ones out here. I'll show you later. This is more tools for fishing, hooks and everything. Yeah, this is a part of getting ready. In general, and also have fun. Binoculars, they are always fun on the beach, in the forest, going fishing, or in the woods, in the rest area, traveling cross country. Always nice to have. And if you are a smoker, store a box of your favorite brand and renew it every once in a while. And it's also good to get a sip of a drink while fishing. And it's also so much fun if you went metal detecting. Yeah, get one of these. Your kids will love it. You will also have fun with it. And you never know what you may find. You don't need to go, some weird areas far deep in the mountains, metal detecting. Just when you go fishing on the beach next time. And some of with the little small pocket knives of my favorite here that I want to show you. This is a nice tool that you can get on eBay. A whistle, thermometer, magnifier, and a compass. Then you can, put it with your keys. Very nice. This is my favorite knife of all times, the Okabe. The Okabe knife with the 2 half moons and 3 stars, made in South Africa. They stopped making this knife. This is a legendary. This is the new version from China, which they call kudu. Plastic handle, not a wooden handle like this one. This is the remake. Bottle, opener with a little tool. You will need it if you have a bottle. Small folding tool will help you to make your hooks and stuff. Fishing. This is a nice, Swiss Army knife. This one just got out of the box. Oh, that's why I kept it in the box. It's working, but it will help. It will help cutting some, plastic or get something disconnected. Yeah, this one was actually a gift from my cousin back in Egypt. Yeah, the G. David France. La Jewel Extra. It has the fly simple. Yeah, he said that he went through so many street battles with it. Yeah, he used to be known that he has so many engagements. Yeah, so this was a gift. This is a typical folding knife, built, hook. This is a nice knife also. One of my tool knives. This is a small, wooden with a brass. Beautiful. I love this one. And again, last but not least, I always, like to get a chance in any episode showing you some silver. Here, this is some, silver fractional rounds from the Sunshine Mint. I got a chance to buy these, almost a year ago. Great quality. With the mirror, finishing in the back, and the matte finishing for the eagle. Half ounce. Nice fraction. Not too small. They have the 9999 silver in the middle that can be seen by a special tool. These sell also. Yeah, very nice. Yeah. I have a a hole. See, the tube is filled, you know, all the way on top. Yeah, this is the ultimate goal, guys. You know, we all want to you know, our silver and gold to shoot to the moon, and you know, to enjoy them, you know, and get wealth and everything. But like they say, you know, you never know what's gonna come with that. You may hope for you know, for the days to go back to what we have now, the stability, and just life is just fine. You know, be careful what you wish for, because stuff comes as a package. You cannot be selective, you know, what for what comes. We just trying, you know, to get ready, but we never wish for that stuff to, you know, bad stuff to happen. So with that being said, I'll you know, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and you know, be safe, and I'll see you next time.